The designs that look the most expensive usually rely on structure before they rely on style. Today, how to create premium grid frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Start with a soft neutral background and apply a subtle gradient that fades toward the edges. Open Elements and insert 4 rectangular frames in a clean grid arrangement. Upload your images and drag them into the frames, adjusting each crop carefully for consistency. Select one frame and enlarge it slightly to establish hierarchy while maintaining balance. Apply soft shadow effects to all frames and lower the intensity until they feel natural. Add thin borders